How to fix iPhone 16e volume problem. So let's start the video. First of all, if you turn on your silent mode, then turn it off. After turning off your silent mode, then swipe down to your control center and then click on focus. And if you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, then go back and open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.